Gross.
Got it. Nice job, Prince. Got in front of him and pulled. Gotta do what you gotta do. He is. He's getting better.
I missed it. See my Alaska gloves?
I did. They're nice.
This is what happens when you go to Alaska for the gloves.
Oh, we gotta buy Alaska gloves. How come you have like 3 white fingers and 2 black ones? Oh, he's gonna pass it? Oh. Oh. Oh, he's got it. Oh. Good run. He's got a little face paint going on.
I think it's in...
Oh, no. Oh, it was a trick play. Good ace. Woo!
Yeah, well, I'm excited.
My boy. He's bumping his chest.
Where's your book?
He's actually in Las Vegas. Oh, he tripped.
What's he doing there?
Turnover on downs. Let's go, QB. Nice run. Go Miles! Ooh, out of bounds. Good run, good hustle, Miles.
Declan, nothing outside.
Get it, Prince. Get it, Prince. Go, Donnie, go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, nice run, nice run. First down. Good job.
Go, get around the corner, Miles. Miles got it. Go, 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 go. See, we bring forward. Go, Miles. See, you move the ball, so we're going to move the ball. We're going to keep going with them.
Go run, Alex. Run. Keep going. Don't stop. All right. Good yardage. Oh, go, Bo, go. Woo! Oh, is he in? Oh, she got it? What was it, Ref? Make it go. We're on the edge of our seat. What happened? Oh, he's down. Okay. Down at the 1. Their defense is defensing today. They're doing really good. Thank you, Mom. He just texted me how did the game go, so I don't know. He thinks it's the play. What's the play? Come on, right on the 1 yard line. You gotta make this. Come on, go, Prince, go. Yes! Go, Alex! Oh, was that Ace blocking? Oh, he's down. Nice. Good defense for them. I was just talking about that block you made. Are you allowed to block in flag football? That was tough, my boy.
I said, get out of here. I want to let my friends score.
Yep, that's right. Well, it almost worked. You did your part. That's all that matters.
Yeah, I got most of the yards and I made them score touchdowns.
Yeah, high five, Bo. Good score. I mean, yeah, you almost. That's right. I'm still in my head like, pull a flag.
Where's my blanket? Where's mine?
Get it, boys. Oh, he's got foot.
Yeah, alone today.
Yeah, hello.
That was silly.
Oh.
Prince is going for a high five.
Oh, yeah, he's the guy that was so fast.
Yeah, he kept scoring on them. Oh.
Uh-oh. It's snowing.
Come here, I got a blanket for you. Looking good.
Oh. Good job, Prince.
He's getting in there now.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, yeah, he did.
You just scored? You just scored that shot?
I scored a flag.
No,
Yes,
I
she
mean,
did.
Your team scored that shot?
Oh,
And did you get extra points?
We knew that small not too long ago.
Yeah, he looks like Mr. Beatty.
Mr. Who?
Mr. Beatty.
Mr. Beatty. Oh,
Have your boys ever seen it? The snow?
I don't think so. No. Now that I think about it. Let's go, Miles. Go, run it, baby, run it. That's it. Wow, good job. Woo! Yeah, good run, Miles.
Side run.
Yeah, baby. That one cut.
Ace is a great height man.
Oh yeah.
Ace, come here, bud. Ace.
Oh, I thought he was on the field. He can't be off the field.
You gotta stay on this side
Yeah.
of the fence, okay?
Off the field. I thought he was on the. Oh my God.
Best height man.
Stay
Come
off.
this way, bud.
Off the side. Off the sidelines.
Stand this side of the fence.
I'm gonna get it again. He's gonna do it
Stay
again.
out of bounds.
There you go. Stay on the right. Stay on the right. Stay on the right. Keep going down, bud.
Too many players on the field. Too many to play.
Right? Yeah. I'm like. I forgot for a minute he wasn't in. Let's go. Extra point. Extra point. Get it, Alex. Get it, Alex. Oh, almost. Man. 12-0. Way to go, animals. Way to go. Oh, I know. Oh, let her run. Let her run. Just let her run. She almost got away with it. Good job, Miles. Good job. Oh man, he was dead. Let's go defense. Oh, he's getting that football right. QB is ready. Look at him. Oh, he's throwing it. Oh, get him. Oh. Good throw, team. Yeah, none of that push pad stuff. I can't do that. Oh, he's going. Oh, nice, Miles. Woo! Good work, Miles. Okay, looks at the sidelines. Look at that, guys. You saw that? Sorry. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. What are we doing? What are we doing, Ace? What are we doing, Ace? Go, Ace! Oh, nice job. Good run, Ace. He keeps running. He's running so much. Go, Bo. Go, Bo. Get it, Bo. Keep going. Run. Oh, don't guard the flags. She ain't guard the flag. Yeah.
Go, Ace.
Oh, come on. That's okay.
Again.
Let's go, boys. It's going to be a jet sweep keeper. Go, Prince! Prince, go! Prince, go! Go, Prince! Oh, almost. Oh, so close.
Ace, timeout. Timeout.
Okay,
Some water.
we're winning. It's 12 to 9.
Are you having fun too?
So coach said you can't block, okay? Not in flag, all right?
Line up. Base D.
This. No, you good? You got it?
Let's go, Jackson. Get a flag.
Guys, we need to fix this.
6'6". It's crazy. She's sitting down.
Be ready, Jackson. Be ready, Jackson.
Back up, Ace.
Be ready.
She's trying to show how to go sideways.
Be ready, guys. Be ready. Go, 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 go.
Ooh, come on.
Stay with it, Alex. Stay with it, Alex.
He's running. Oh, he's running. Oh, they scoring. Oh, nice job for them. Good try. No, you're fine. No. Defending on the extra point. Get him, Prince. Get him, Prince. Yes. Good defense. Good D. Keep going, Miles. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Go, Miles. Keep it up. Good run, Miles. Woo! Oh, my gosh. Yep, you can run down there. You can run down there. You can stay off the field, though.
How about that? You're doing good.
Yeah, good job, Ace. Way to go, Miles. Good run. Extra point, extra point. Let's go, Jackson. Go, baby, go. Oh, nice try. Nice try, Jackson. So that would be 18-6. Animals up. It's a little.
Pull those flags, boys.
Yep. Oh, they need a ball.
Helps.
Be ready on defense, animals! Oh, she almost dropped it. She almost fell. Oh, he's running. He's running. Get him, Prince. Oh, are we okay? Is everybody okay?
Hold on.
Get him, Prince. Get him. Oh, nice job. Let's go, animals. Get the ball again. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it, Bo! Yes, go, Bo, go! Woo! Keep going, Bo! His face is so cute. I can't. All right. Good job. Like, did my mommy see me? That's so cute.
Why is he going? He's going like this.
It worked. It worked.
Watch the football and get a flag. Riley, watch the football. He's moving this way. Go, Ace. Go, Ace.
Run it, Ace. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Go, baby. Go. Go, Ace. Go. All right. Woo! First down, baby. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
Hey, we gotta get that
You're
on
fine.
video.
Yeah, we got it. Oh. Stop it, Ace. AJ.
Yay!
Ace. Stop it. Done. Give me the 6-7. Uh-oh. She's with the wrong team. I love this sport so much. Yeah, he's a good guy.
Good coach.
Let's go, baby. Do it. Did it, baby. Go. Oh, he stepped out. He stepped out. He stepped out. That was okay. Good yardage, Prince. Woo!
They hit the mover.
I think we're on third down, maybe second down. Or second.
Go, Prince! Go, run the corner!
Run it, baby. Take it, baby. Take it, take it, take it. Yes!
Nothing
Good
but
job! Woo!
Nothing but heels.
I know, right? Good score. Uh-oh. Got a baby. There's a baby on the field. No, you're fine. You're fine. Let's go extra point, baby. Let's go extra point. Yep, yep. Get it, Bo.
Bo in there, Bo in there.
Oh, nice
Bo.
try, nice try.
Play.
That's a fun way to cut it.
Let's do it. Oh, it's falling off on its own. Listen. Not the runner was ruled out of bounds before the tackle.
Go, 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 go!
Get him, Ace.
Go, Jax, go, Jax!
Miles, let her go. Good pull, Miles. Oh, I thought we were.
Ready. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go, Jax, go, Jax!
They got him. Get him, Prince. Good. Way to stick with him, boys. Good job, Prince.
A little brother hug after. Oh, man.
And then a push. He's hyping him. Until 10. Prince at safety. He's not letting anything pass. Jax is getting this flag. I see that intensity in his eyes. Go, Prince. Go, Prince. Get him. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Good pull. Nobody's getting by Prince. Not a single one. There we go. Defense. Oh, a third hike. Oh, that was tricky. Our second hike, you saw that? A little tricky play.
Way to chase him over there, Ace.
Oh, he's supposed to do something different. That was cute. They got a first down. Look how teeny that little kid is. He's so cute. Oh, 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 he's little and he's going. Good going, bud. I think, are we on fourth? Are we on fourth down? Jackson, watch out! Jackson's watching this, the rest of his team. Oh, Ace was there. Prince is there. Oh, out of bounds.
Just like
Look at those animals looking ready. Ready to play defense. He's going to throw it. Oh, a hand. Oh, good pressure, Ace. Good pressure, Ace. He's like, that was almost a sack. Was that fourth down? Yep. Oh, no, it's not fourth down. This is fourth down. This must be fourth. I don't know. They got a plan. They got a plan. Coach got a plan. Oh, Jax! Let's go, animals. No, I guess we're not. Run it, Alex! Run! 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 Oh, he's out of bounds. Oh, he's on the other. He's on the other field. Yeah, stop the play.
offsides.
Was it?
Look at that. They're on the field. That's driving somebody crazy.
Oh, yeah. What happened? Can we get an announcement of... He took it.
Jackson, good run, buddy. Good job.
Oh, in. Jackson in. Purple shark, keep leading. Coach Eddie. Coach Eddie. Levi. Jackson, break. Levi Ashton. Break.
Making me dizzy.
Go Jackson to the wrong way! No way! Oh.
There's defenders over there. I don't know.
He's still going! Oh dear, they're still chasing him.
Run home.
I am done. That is so funny. Good job, Miles! Good pull! He's like, I didn't even really do it, it just fell off. Got the magic fingers. Oh dear.
Let's go.
I want to make a touchdown right now. Ow. I bit my tongue.
Oh no.
Go, go, go.
Oh, he's going. He's ready. Oh, he's gonna run away. Yeah. Oh, lots of yards. Way back there.
We gotta keep it upfield. Jackson.
Good job, Prince. Good job. QB1. QB1. You're doing great, buddy.
Nobody's getting by you today.
Yeah, that flag pulling is crazy.
Good job.
Oh, get him, Ace! Get him, Ace! Come on, Alex! Oh, he's going. He's going to the house. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Nice hustle, nice hustle. It's all right.
It's okay. What's wrong?
It's all right. Oh. Oh, he was. Don't let him score. Oh, good job, Jax. Defense is crazy. Let's call it, Coach. Can we call it? He's all over the place. He's gonna. No, nope, we're not doing it.
Go, Bo, go!
Go, Bo! Good run. Good game, boys! Good game! Coach is like, let's line it up. Go. That's it. Final score, 30-12. Animals win.